Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about how to fix your Apple Pay account is restricted. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to open your app setting and you need to click on your profile like this one, and once you click on your profile it will show you a new window. You need to check your personal information. Once you check your personal information like this, you need to check your date of birth. Your date of birth should be greater than 18 plus, or you can say like you should be 18 plus. Make sure 8 age should be like 18 plus. Make it correct if this method is correct. So in that case you need to again back on this screen, like personal information, security, payments and shipping. You need to check this option, payments and shippings. Once you click on payments and shippings, it will redirect you on this window like this one. Over here you need to check your card details. You need to correct your card details, you need to remove your card, and you need to again attach your card. And if this method will still not work for you, you need to contact Apple customer support team. Okay, and you need to call them, you need to ask them why your payment is restricted. Okay, why your Apple Pay is restricted, they can solve. Only this is the method. So if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.